Imagine finding a box untouched for decades, filled with secrets from another era. What if every item inside whispered a forgotten story? Today we're about to find out. This is the echoes of a forgotten hall. I recently came across this at an old estate sale, tucked away in the back of a dusty attic. The family had no idea what was inside, only that it hadn't been opened in at least 70 years. The air is thick with anticipation right now. Even the crate itself feels ancient. Look at these markings, almost completely faded. Let's get this open and see what secrets are waiting for us. Okay, here we go. The smell is the first thing that hits you. It's that unmistakable scent of old paper and wood. Right on top, we have this. It's heavy, wrapped in what looks like old canvas. Let's be very careful with it. Wow, look at this. It's some sort of intricate brass instrument. It's not a compass, maybe a navigational tool. It's beautifully crafted. The weight of it feels substantial and important. What do you guys think this could be? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Based on the design, I'm thinking maybe late 19th century, possibly maritime. We'll have to do a little digging on this one for sure. Alright, let's see what's next. Beneath that first layer is a collection of leather-bound books. They're delicate. This one, the title is in French. Let's open it. There are handwritten notes in the margins. It seems to be a personal journal. Let me see if I can translate a small piece. It says, "The stars were our only guide tonight. The sea is a cruel mistress, but she holds the greatest rewards." This connects back to the brass instrument, doesn't it? A sailor's journal, perhaps. This isn't just an object. This is someone's life. Researching the ship names mentioned in here is going to be our next step. It could tell us the exact voyages this person took. Something like this, a first-hand account, is historically priceless. It puts a human story to these forgotten items. Wait a second. What is this? Tucked inside the back cover of the journal. It's a small, folded piece of parchment. It's not a letter. It looks like their map, and there's a small, almost invisible marking on it. A tiny X, oh my goodness. This changes everything. We thought we were just unboxing some old trinkets, but this could be a clue to something much bigger. This hidden map completely shifts our understanding of this hall. Did you ever find something like this? A hidden message or a secret compartment in an old item? I'd love to hear your stories. So what started as a dusty, forgotten crate has revealed a potential story of adventure on the high seas. We have a sailor's journal, a mysterious navigational tool, and now a hidden map. Each piece connects, adding a new layer to the narrative. We're going to get these items professionally assessed and preserved. We'll research the journal, try to identify the owner, and see if we can figure out what this map leads to. The journey of this forgotten hall is far from over. There's so much history all around us, just waiting to be discovered. I hope this inspires you to look a little closer at the old things you might find. Thank you for joining me on this incredible unboxing. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, because you will not want to miss the next chapter of this story. We're just getting started.